Nina's noteworthy nap hook. In a nook where dreams weave and snores seep, one nap lover reigns supreme. Nothing like a nice nap. 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 But N isn't just for naps in Nina's nook.
Yes, spot on. Look here.
Always an apple a day, but don't munch on me now. Apple. One more sound and our nap puzzle is almost complete. Listen closely. P. Combine those gentle sounds and what restful word do you get? Let's say it together. N-A-P. Nap.
Every spot here is perfect for a nap.
From nuts to apples, it seems everyone's catching some in Nina's nook. Dream sweet, dream deep in our nap nook. As the dreams begin to float and the world fades to a doze, keep those sounds close and sweet dreams to all.
Why not call us today on 01924 50 60 10. Alternatively, you can call us on our mobile or WhatsApp 0795 1918 152 or email us on info@improvetuition.org. We can improve anyone, anywhere and in any subject.